What is going on, guys? It's me 94 HD here, bringing you my first pack opening video. Not a live commentary, as you can tell. I'm still getting used to how to work it all out. I do get an informed Guzman in one of these packs, which I'll be giving away on Twitter. So if you're interested in that, the link's in the description. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, enjoy the rest of the video.
Yeah, you're listening now. They say they ain't heard nothing like this in a while. That's why they play my song on so many different dials. Cause I got more hits than a disciplined child. So when they see me, everybody baraps. Man, I'm like a young gun, fully barack. I cry teardrops over the massive attack. I only make hits like I work with a racket and rap. Look at my jacket and hat, so damn berserk, so down to earth. I'm bringing gravity back, adopted by the major. I want my family back. People work hard just to get all their salary tax. Look, I'm just a writer from the ghetto like Mallory Black. Man, where the hell's all the sanity at? Damn, I used to be the kid that no one cared about. That's why you have to keep screaming till they hear you out. Written in the stars, a million miles away, a message to the main. The seasons come and go, but I will never change. And I'm on my way. Boldest, baddest, flow so dope, y'all could call me an addict. Destiny was hiding in my attic. Had to go find that shit and go grab it. Cause I got drive, no gopher, play my hand. No poker, stand on top of the world, no loafer. Now they recognize time fools with no poster. Yeah, because I dare to dream it. Because I work real hard. Because I put my all in and gave it all my heart. No, I can't concede it. No, it can't be far. Because I seen it written in the stars. Written in the stars, a million miles away, a message to the main. The seasons come and go, but I will never change. And I'm on my Yeah, I needed a change. When we ate, we never tick cause we needed a change. I needed a break. For a sec, I even gave up believing and praying. I even done illegal stuff and was leading astray. They say that money is the root to the evilest ways. But have you ever been so hungry it keeps you awake? Mate, now my hunger will leave him amazed. Great, it feels like a long time coming, fam. Since the day I thought of that cunning plan. One day I had a dream, I tried to chase it, but I wasn't going nowhere. Running, man, knew that maybe someday I would understand. Trying to change a tenner to 100 grand. Everyone's a kid that no one cares about. You just gotta keep screaming till they hear you out.